The humble clothespin, often underestimated. This tiny wooden or plastic gadget has been faithfully holding up your soggy socks for decades. But did you know it's secretly a multitasking ninja? With a little imagination and ingenuity, the trusty clothespin can tackle everyday dilemmas, saving you time, money, and sanity. Here's a rundown of its alternative superpowers, all thoroughly tested and worth recommending. Prepare to be pinned to your seat. Number 1. Chipback Savior. Tired of stale chips? Use a clothespin to reseal snack bags. It's like a budget-friendly version of those fancy bag clips, but with more rustic charm. Number 2. Bookmark Extraordinaire. Stop dog-earing pages or losing your spot. Clip a clothespin to the top of your book and viola. It's sturdy, reusable, and won't judge you for taking months to finish that novel. Number 3. Cable Organizer. From charging cords to headphone wires, clothespins can keep your cables tangle-free. Just wind the cable and secure it with a pin. It's tidy and oh so satisfying. Number 4. Toothpaste Tube Tamer. Squeeze every last bit of toothpaste with a clothespin. Roll up the end of the tube and clip it in place. A win for your wallet and your dental hygiene. Number 5. Desk Declutterer. Tame the chaos of your desk by clipping clothespins to loose papers, photos, or reminders. Bonus. Paint them for a personalized artsy touch. Number 6. Food Label Holder. Hosting a buffet or picnic? Label your dishes by clipping index cards to serving bowls or plates. You'll impress your guests with your organizational flair. Number 7. Picture Hanger. String a piece of twine across a wall and use clothespins to clip on photos or artwork. It's Instagram worthy and adds a rustic vibe to any room. Number 8. Emergency Zipper Fix. Got a broken zipper? Clip a clothespin onto the pull tab as a temporary handle. Fashion forward? Maybe not. Practical? Absolutely. Number 9. Glue Gun Helper. When working on crafts, use a clothespin to hold glue items together while they dry. It's like having a third hand that doesn't complain. Number 10. Plant Support. Gardening enthusiasts rejoice. Use clothespins to gently secure plants to stakes. Your tomatoes and roses will thank you for the extra TLC. Number 11. Bag Hanger. Clip a clothespin to your car's headrest post to hang a bag. Say goodbye to groceries rolling around in your back seat. Number 12. Tea Bag Anchor. Keep your tea bag string from slipping into your cup by clipping a clothespin to the edge of the mug. Sip in peace. Number 13. Paintbrush Holder. Painting your masterpiece or the living room? Clip a clothespin to the side of the paint can and rest the brush on it. No more messy handles sinking into the paint. Number 14. Napkin Weight. Outdoor picnics? Use clothespins to clip napkins to the table or plates. They won't fly away no matter how breezy it gets. Number 15. Air Freshener Booster. Clip a clothespin soaked in essential oils to your car's air vent. Instant aromatherapy on the go. Number 16. Kids Fort Builder. Need to secure blankets for an epic fort? Clothespins to the rescue. Your kids or inner child will adore you. Number 17. Sock Pair Keeper. Clip your socks together before tossing them in the laundry. Never suffer through mismatched socks again. Number 18, recipe holder. Secure a recipe card to a cupboard handle or a spice jar while cooking. Keep it clean, visible, and out of harm's way. Number 19, game night card holder. For small hands struggling to hold a full hand of cards during family game night, a clothespin does the trick. No more dropped hands or peeking siblings. Number 20, travel organizer. Clip outfits together in your suitcase to keep things organized. Bonus, it keeps your undergarments from an embarrassing escape. Number 21, candle wick stabilizer. Making your own candles, use a clothespin to hold the wick upright while the wax sets. Straight wicks equal steady flames. Number 22, jewelry holder. Clip earrings or necklaces to a ribbon or board for a makeshift jewelry display. Practical and chic. Number 23, chopstick trainer. Teach kids or yourself to use chopsticks. Rubber band a clothespin around one end to create an easy-to-use pair. Number 24, kitchen sponge dryer. Clip your sponge upright in the sink to let it dry faster and avoid funky odors. Genius, right? Number 25, do-it-yourself advent calendar. Create a countdown to any special event by clipping tiny gifts or notes to a string. Fun, festive, and fully customizable. Number 26, garbage bag securer. Prevent garbage bag from slipping into the bin by clipping them to the edge with clothespins. Trash day just got easier. Number 27, temporary curtain fix. Need extra privacy in a pinch? Clip a bed sheet or towel to your curtain rod using clothespins. Number 28, cordless phone prop. Clip two clothespins together in a T-shape to create a quick and easy stand for your phone. Perfect for hands-free video calls. 29, do-it-yourself wind chime. String together a few clothespins with bells or shells for a quirky homemade wind chime. It's whimsical, functional, and sure to spark conversation. Number 30, popcorn bowl grip. Watching a movie on the couch? Clip a clothespin to your popcorn bowl's edge for easy gripping during those intense action scenes. Closing thoughts. Who knew clothespins could be this versatile? Whether you're tackling a home project, organizing chaos, or simply looking for ways to make life easier, these tiny workhorses have your back. Best of all, they're inexpensive, eco-friendly, and always ready to spring into action. Stay safe, secure, and go ahead, buy a pack, or raid the laundry room. The world of clothespins is your oyster. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for reading, watching, and listening.